35 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? All of Middle Tennessee. When? From 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Friday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. Winds will ramp up starting around 3 a.m. Central Standard Time. With grounds already wet, some trees will come down much easier, leading to power outages. Be sure to fully charge cell phones tonight so you will be able to reliably receive any additional severe thunderstorm or tornado warnings that may be issued on Friday. Winds will begin to relax from west to east starting around sunset Friday evening. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.